By choosing to purchase a paper pulp tray production line from Beston, you will gain multiple advantages to ensure your return on investment and production efficiency. Beston has more than 10 years of experience in the field of pulp molding equipment manufacturing and supply, and has accumulated rich technical and industry knowledge. We have a large factory with complete production and delivery rules, which can guarantee on-time delivery. This means you don't have to worry about production delays, ensuring your project can start on time. Our machines undergo thorough quality assurance to ensure that each piece of equipment meets the highest standards to support the long-term stable operation of your production line. Beston serves customers from at least 7 continents and more than 70 countries and regions. We understand the needs of different markets and can provide personalized support based on your specific location and needs. We produce equipment for different raw materials and operating modes, ensuring that whatever your needs, we have the right solution. When you choose Beston, you will get quality assurance, reliable service, and excellent product performance to help your business succeed.